This recipe can not only be used as pot pie filling, but it can also be used as chicken soup. To start, melt 6 tablespoons of butter and then saute 3 cups of onions. Next, add 2 cups of potatoes and saute them until golden brown. Once that's done, stir your onion and potato mixture into 10 cups of chicken broth, along with any seasonings you would like to taste, and cook this until the potatoes are completely tender. Now add 3 cups of chicken, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and any frozen vegetables you would like. I did green beans and corn, and cook this until the chicken is completely cooked through. Once the chicken is done, ladle the mixture into jars, leaving an inch of headspace. To later turn this into pot pie, you're going to take your can and strain the broth and vegetables separately and use them accordingly in the recipe video above. This made 6 quarts. So next you're gonna wipe the rims, add your lids and bands only fingertip tight, and pressure can at 10 pounds of pressure, 75 minutes for pints and 90 minutes for quarts. This is what they look like when they were done. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to leave a comment letting us know how it turned out, and share this recipe with your friends. Thanks for watching!